Today we're going to show you guys on how to attach the attachment for the Sono 14-in-1. For the Sono 14-in-1, you do get 14 different attachments, and each attachment has its own separate plugins, and you can be able to actually determine which one plugs in where next to the images that it had put in there. Just like, for instance, this one right here is for the spot remover, and the remaining's for ultrasonic and skin scrubber. Now for the ultrasonic, the wires for the ultrasonics are all 2 prongs plugins. And if you even grab your ultrasonic that has the 2 prong, you can be able to see it that perfectly matches. So what you would do is you would plug it in perfectly, line it up, and then tighten the screw. And once you go ahead and do that, it's gonna look like this. Is one of them, where you can be able to see it right here. Plug it in, and it shows also here that which ultrasonic goes into which plug-in. So the bigger one gets plugged into here, the smaller one for the eye area gets plugged into here, but the plugins are identical. From there on is the skin scrubber. The skin scrubber, you can be able to plug it in where the image shows here, and then from the one after that would be the high frequency. The high frequency is already also plugged in, connected to the handle. All there is for you to do is just plug it in perfectly with lining it up. And once you go ahead and do that, moving on to the other side. For the hot and cold hammer, it does have 4 plugins, and there's only one wire that has 4 prongs. And you can be able to just make sure match it up together, and that could be able to fit in perfectly, and that goes plugged in right where the picture shows for the hot and cold hammer, which is right here. And then this one right here would be the mesotherapy that's already plugged in onto the wire, and this is for the face small areas to treat. And then you do also get the galvanic, where it also shows each images of galvanic where it gets plugged into. And then of course, for microdermabrasion, you plug in your tubing and you connect your diamond tip onto your handle and connect it to the tube. Now, in order to go ahead and operate each functions, you do have separate start and pause buttons.